Welcome to Tranquility Fountain Farm. Today I would like to tell you about our horse treats. They are herbal supplements for horses that have seasonal fruits and herbs in them that we grow on our farm in the Mediterranean foothills of the Pyrenees in a little town called Sebezan. As you can see, these ones have blackberries in them because it's blackberry season, but they also have about 50 odd different herbs that are good for different reasons, and medicinal mushrooms like turkey tail mushroom, reishi mushroom, microdoses of certain things like lavender, rosemary, thyme. We have these are milk thistle seeds, very good for liver and kidney. Basically marshmallow. Basically I'll write down all the herbs and their medicinal uses. But this supplement is 50% Alexandra's horse parsley, which horses love to eat. It's not only very good for them, but they love to eat it, they crave it. It is 20% fennel, and this is wild fennel from the Mediterranean, and cleavers, and then the rest is microdoses of about 50 different things. We also add probiotic properties. These are kombucha scobies, and what we do is we dehydrate them, grind them up into powder. Here is the powder, which has basically most of the ingredients in it, including spirulina and moringa, which is a multivitamin as well. And then we mix it all together with a little bit of bee wax, which smells great and horses love the smell of, and about 2 tablespoons of honey in 200 grams of medicinal treats. So what I'll do is I'll write down all the ingredients and all the medicinal benefits, and I'll show you our horses, that's Danza and Hemis, and how much they love the supplements, the little treats now.
Tranquility Fountain Farm. We have a few horses here. This is Danza. Hemis over there. This is Hemis's papa. Beautiful, beautiful baby. So right now we're here to try our new treats, our new horse treats. These are all fresh, full of all fresh herbs and seasonal fruits like blackberries. Blackberries at the moment. So they are full of all kinds of medicinal herbs, including kombucha scoby for probiotics, and some mushrooms and all sorts of things. So they're already nibbling. Let's see what they think. Hemis. Oh, I suppose Papa's here, so you're not here. Okay, let's sneak it.